Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. I am on my way to the Jonas Brothers premiere. That is like the craziest thing I think I've ever said in my life, because I have been a Jonas Brothers fan since I was like 10 years old, and I was invited to their documentary premiere that is going to be on Amazon Prime, I think. I'm on the way to the premiere right now. I did my makeup, I did my hair. I hope y'all like it. The lighting's kind of bad sometimes because I'm filming on my phone this time because I don't know what the situation's gonna be like, but I wanted to bring y'all with me to the experience. I'm walking the carpet and whatnot. I am with someone, and that is
Hey. Oh my god, the lighting.
I know.
Guys, I literally got ready in like what, 5 minutes?
No, like 10 minutes, like 5-10 minutes.
That was like a record timing. So I got to Franny's house super late. She was like, get here between 2:30 and 3. And as everybody already knows, I'm like horrible with timing. That's like a known fact.
She got there at 3:45.
Not even. I think it was like 3:50.
Probably, yeah.
We had to leave at 4.
She literally showed
I
up
had
in
no
pajamas.
makeup on. I was in my pajamas. I was wearing a hat. My hair was in a bun. And I got dressed in like what, 8 minutes?
No, literally in like 8
Dude,
minutes.
that was like a record timing.
That's insane.
That was crazy.
So now
we're so excited.
I know.
We've both been like Jonas Brothers fans for so long. I used to sing their songs when I didn't speak English.
We both got invited, so we were like, yeah, let's ride together, let's do this together. Should be a fun time. I'm really excited. So my manager called me prior to going, and she's like, okay, so just warning you, there's gonna be 700 people there. And I was like, what? So basically the Jonas Brothers invited half of their like family, friends, you know, their team. Then there's another 350 people that are gonna be there, and they're all fans. So she's like, just be aware that there's gonna be a lot of people there. And I was like, okay.
We don't really know what to expect
at all. So this is gonna be quite interesting. We're in our Uber right now on our way there. It's by UCLA, and I don't live anywhere close to UCLA.
Fudge. Oh my god, I'm crying because I couldn't sneeze.
Are you sweating? I'm sweating.
No, dude, I was about to sneeze and then it went away. I don't know. What word did you say? Some word you said made it go away.
I don't know.
Now I'm crying.
I live nowhere near UCLA. It's right by there.
I'll be in the car for like an hour.
Probably in the car for 45 minutes to an hour, so
Dude,
it should
I
be
hate that I
interesting.
wasn't able to sneeze.
Is that what you had to do, was sneeze?
Yeah, what'd you think I was making that face for?
I don't know, like yawn or something?
That's an ugly ass yawn.
I can't.
Oh my god, dude.
Emily, you can't make me start laughing right now.
There's
I'm
like
gonna
boogers coming out. There's like tears on my eyes.
Dude, we're really going through it right now.
Oh god.
Oh,
I forgot to put deodorant on.
So Emily asked me.
Damn it.
Emily asked me for deodorant, and I was like, I use like an organic coconut oil deodorant.
And there's nothing wrong with organic deodorant. I am the #1 believer in organic products, but her deodorant makes me smell like a garbage can.
So I'm sorry. Also, yeah, I think I said this before, but I'm using my iPhone, so I don't know whether to look at the screen or at the camera. Probably at this like little thing. Is that what I'm supposed to look at? Let's just try looking right here, Emily, like where the little dot is. Hey. All right, guys. So once we get there, we'll let you know. We'll keep you updated. But should be an interesting experience.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So Emily and I are finally here at. I don't know what this is. It's the premiere, but it's like a full-on like everything. Like they have stations. They have stations for food. They have sweatshirts that they're making people. They have food all up there. They have food trucks.
They have a stage.
They have the stage right there. Like
they got pass out once they start singing. It's fine. I'm fine.
There's so many people here. There's gonna be 700 people here. Emily, that's insane. Is this so pretty though? It's so fun. Guys, we're gonna wait in line soon for a sweatshirt because the sweatshirts are so cute. Look, they're like tie-dye.
I want one. And this is Jonas Brothers. Jonas Brothers. Totally dying in the inside right now.
Emily.
I'm just like calm and composure on the outside.
Oh my
On
god.
the inside, it's
Should we get food?
My young self is yelling. I feel like I'm gonna spill it on myself before the carpet.
Yeah, we haven't walked the carpet
My
yet.
clothes are gonna look all
Maybe
tie-dye from the
let's eat after the carpet.
Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, let's
High
do that.
five.
Hey! I was gonna slap you in the face. I wasn't very confident about that one.
They have it like the Jonas Brothers living room set up, right? Is that what it is?
I think, yeah.
Like, look.
That's not creepy at all.
It's like the Jonas Brothers living room to like take photos in, but I don't know if I want to take photos in there. It's kind of weird, right?
I don't want to. You want to take one by yourself? I'll take it.
I guess we'll just wait. I'll film when we get our sweatshirts, and maybe when we walk carpet, maybe grab some food. I'll try and film a little bit of the concert for y'all. Woo-hoo!
Once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm close told ya, soon enough everything started to change. Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs.
Guys, look at these tables. This is literally a table. Isn't that so cool? It's legit a table with guitar picks and like sheet music of the songs. Like, look, SOS.
What are the odds that you take that guitar, grab a pick, and start playing? 1 and 1. Go.
No.
Come on,
Don't
Fran.
arrest me.
Okay, let's do 1 and 2, and if you don't get it, I have to do it. Yeah.
What and what?
1 and 2. So if we don't say the number, then I have to do it.
To grab the guitar?
Yes.
No, Emily.
Why not?
We're gonna get in trouble.
There's no cops around. You only live once. Come on.
No.
Ready?
Do 1 and 10.
Ah. Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 7. Darn it!
Alright, so we finally got our sweatshirts. I got the Jonas Brothers in black ink.
I got the one that's like
In white?
Yeah,
Like-
it's like low-key Stan, but like you gotta
But like
get close to read it,
I'm
but
high
she's
key
like,
full on.
eh.
I'm like, I love them more than anything. I love the Jonas Brothers. Thank you. Appreciate it. Well, we're probably gonna
you wanna
eat
go live?
on live.
Yeah,
Oh, like
why
on
not?
Instagram.
Yeah, why not?
Oh.
Should we?
We
Just
can.
sit over there and go live.
Let me just grab some food. Should I get chicken? It looks like everything's just running out at this point. I'm just like, should I get chicken? There's nothing else.
Like a chicken or app, everything
Or
is.
chicken.
Look at that. You've been eyeing it. Although I don't support the consumption of chicken or animals. Any animal product. Turn vegan. It's better for yourself, the environment, and animals. Bye.
All right, guys, so I got some food. We're on live, just so you know. So if Emily's talking to someone, she's on live. I got a chicken sandwich, broccoli coleslaw. It's so good, guys.
Sarah says, "What up, friend?
What's
We're
up, Sam?
currently at the.
Currently at the, you said it 4 times already.
Okay, we're currently at the Jonas Brothers documentary premiere.
Woo! There we go, we got it.
4 times the charm.
All right, y'all, we are walking now into the theater. It's huge.
Oh, there's no finding your seat?
Yeah, so
Bro, this is
see.
straight down.
Oh, thank you. Look at this place.
I'll be on the way.
Oh, I'm excited. This is gonna be fun.
Yep, seat 113.
Awesome, thank you. Oh, cool.
Oh, we're close. Real close.
Wait,
close
we're
to the
like
screen.
really
Hey.
close. Are we supposed to be this close?
I'm not too sure. I think this is bad for my eyesight.
Look how close we are, guys. We're the third seat in. You know what? F it. Maybe Nick Jonas is the next to me. Can you imagine? Oh, God.
I think I would lick his ear.
Ew, Emily, his
I don't
wife.
know. That was the first thing that came to my mind. I take it back. I regret
This
it.
is the theater. It's a pretty big theater. It's cute though. This is what my ticket looked like. Super cute. They gave us candy.
I didn't even see this. I'm probably not gonna be able to eat any of that.
M&M and Skittles.
I can eat
and,
Skittles.
M&M and Skittles. All right, this music in the background's really killing the vibe right now because I'm gonna get copyrighted. Thanks. I'm gonna have candy now. All right, bye guys. All right, guys. So we've been sitting here for how long, Emily?
Dude, I fell asleep.
We've been sitting here for a very long time, but look how crowded this theater got. Like, it's so many people. I also ate the entire bag of M&Ms.
Right there. Look, Nick is right there. That's Nick right there.
Oh, they're right in the middle. They got the best seats. The Jonas Brothers got the best seats in the house, right in the middle. They came in low key. We're all just like staring. I was like, what? Wow.
Oh my God, Priyanka.
Is she there?
I am more excited about Priyanka than I
Is
am
she
about
there?
the Jonas Brothers. She's sitting right next to me.
Oh my God, she is.
I'm gonna pass out.
Emily's like a
Guys,
number one.
I literally don't fangirl over anybody. I don't, nothing like that. Priyanka Chopra, I will piss myself.
She's a big Priyanka fan. All right, well, the Jonas Brothers are in here. They're in the middle somewhere. I don't know where.
Oh, well.
When I'm saying I don't know where, I know where, but y'all can't see them. All right, so the Jonas Brothers have entered the building.
Oh yeah, Kevin is right there and Joe is right there. Yeah, they're all right there.
Being so creepy, we're like...
Oh wait, am I right?
All right, guys. Well, yeah, we've been sitting here waiting for a while, so we're ready for this documentary to start. I'm actually very excited. I've been a Jonas Brothers stan for a very long time. Very long
I think I lost
time.
my phone. Oh, you found
So
it.
yeah, they're gonna have a concert after this. I'm kind of excited for that. Emily's.
Dude, I just love Priyanka. I'm not gonna stop staring.
Super fans like me. It was a no-brainer for me, whether you're a super fan of the Jonas Brothers, which I know you all are, or you're just a fan. This documentary, even just seeing 4 minutes of it, all I could think of is the giant heartbeat at the center of it. It is about family. It is about love. No idea. My heart is like fluttering just seeing all of you and knowing how much you love this. And to hear the crowd screaming outside, I can really thank my girlfriend Priyanka, somewhere in there, who fell in love it the minute I met. We have like so many shared dreams about things, and she was like, "You have to meet Nick." And then when I met him, we talked about this endeavor. I heard about you. I talked about his brother. So guys, can you stand up? I know you're out in the middle of it.
Guys, so we just got out of the movie, the documentary. It was
I was crying in there.
It was absolutely amazing. It was so freaking good. I'm sorry. That documentary was so amazing. It was just so like inspiring, I guess you could say, but it is amazing. So if you have a chance, go and watch it. If you can watch it on Amazon, please watch it. Now everyone is running to go and watch JONAS Brothers perform. And we're all just rushing in because I have never seen them perform ever. This is my first time ever seeing them perform. And I'm so excited. I should be filming like this because now the light's on me. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this line to get in right now. I'm so excited.
Sing it out with us if you know it. This was never a single, but I think you might know this one, okay?
Parents are here tonight. Mom and Dad, we love you. Frankie is working tonight. He's a grown-up now.
He's a grown-up now. But he sends his love.
But he sends his love. And each one of us has our beautiful wives who are here.
What's up? Hello.
Who are the real stars of this music video for this song. And this is a party, so we need to turn it up one more notch right now before the police shut us down at 10 p.m. Let's go! We're gonna get it here in December about me. Baby, you know it's obvious. I'm a sucker for you. I'm a sucker for all the subliminal things. It's true. I'm a sucker for you.
Alright guys, so I am finally home. Sorry for this on my face. It's pimple cream because I have really two big pimples in the same exact spot in opposite locations of my face. So I put pimple cream on. I'm not kidding. I literally forgot to do an outro to this. I've been filming on my phone all day long. I didn't know what to expect at the premiere, so I've just been filming on my phone. I completely forgot to do an outro, and I'm uploading the footage and I was like, I don't have an outro. And I had took all my makeup off. My pimples are just all over the place. I have like a stuffy nose and like I feel like I have like a head cold. I woke up with like a sore throat today, so I took some medicine to help me sleep. I feel like I'm not gonna be able to sleep. Just a mess. I'm sorry for this situation. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I literally am just like in awe right now by tonight. Like I literally went from never being able to see the JONAS Brothers when I was younger to Amazon inviting me. Like this video is not sponsored or anything. Like nothing was sponsored. I didn't have to post anything or whatever. Literally Amazon reached out to my manager and asked if I wanted to go to the premiere and walk the carpet for the JONAS Brothers documentary. It's just crazy. It's just crazy the 180 my life took. Like literally the JONAS Brothers were one of the reasons why I fell in love with music. They're one of the reasons why I picked up a guitar when I was younger. It's just like a really crazy thing, like just watching them perform live for the first time, watching the documentary. Guys, like I said before, if you guys can watch the documentary on Amazon Prime, please go and do so. It's incredible. It's very inspiring. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm just happy I got to film some of it for you and you guys got to experience this with me because it was an amazing night. I loved it so much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly what I do. Do not forget to subscribe and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. You scared me. I don't even know what I was expecting, to be honest, but I thought somebody was gonna punch me in the face.